Ayan, good morning guys. So ngayon kami aalis ni Mister. At sabi ko nga sa kanya gusto ko na magtingin ng damit ng baby dahil yung tiyan ko ay sumasakit na dahil ilang weeks na nga ako. Parang 33 weeks, mag 34 weeks na ako sa Sunday. Lapit na talaga akong manganak. Kaya naman sabi ko sa kanya, tumingin na kami ng damit. Since off niya ngayon, so may time kami. So, balikan ko kayo guys pag after ko mag-ready.
It is really nice.
Yeah, it is.
And I think he realised that.
Oh, look at the inside.
Yeah, the seats, the leather seats, and the black windows at the back, look. It is really nice.
Yeah, that's good then. Oh, that's why he did not hesitate to get it, isn't it? That's why he did not hesitate to get it,
Yeah.
to buy it.
But the good thing was,
He did not get the other
we
one.
went to look at the other one. We looked at one that was a 15,
And
but
it's
it
not
had
available.
120,000 miles. And I said to Gary, I said, look at this. I said,
We're ready. May tubig daw siya sa car. Where's the water?
on the seat.
So, yan. Aalis na kami. Bibili kami ng baby stuff. Yehey. Kailangan na talaga namin bumili, guys. Dahil ang aking tiyan ay sumasakit lagi. Nalagay ko nga itong wide lens, guys. Tingnan ko nga kung may difference. Konti. Tumitang konti yung mukha ko. Yeah, I got two coat, just in case. Medyo malamig. At saka makulimlim today, guys. Ang dami ng tissue dito. Sipon-sipon kasi. So, ayan. Medyo mainit. Tingnan niyo yung labas. Palimlim. O, yan. Pero maka-cloudy lang siya. Walang sun.
Oh, your sandwich go in the glove box.
Huh?
I think the glove box might be fed with cold air.
Oh, you have tissue here? I got lots in my bag. May tissue pala. I put the wide lens. There's no big difference. Is that what he's doing? He's delivering a parcel using his own car.
Yeah.
Thailand Garden Center. Is it big? Wow. Uy, ang dami nilang tawag dyan, garden products. Oh, there's a hydrangea there, look. Do I need coat?
No.
Are you gonna wear a coat?
Yeah, they believe girl. Hey,
Huh?
could I have gone any
Oh!
further back?
What have you done there?
I knew how close I was.
It's not close, it's touching, it's scratching. Oh. Go forward a little bit. It's not close, it's touching it. My God. Sobrang lapit ng park. Siya nga. Grabe maka-park. Alam mo talaga. One more. Enough. Lapit-lapit, yawa. Ay, they're so nice. Ang ganda. See?
So that's 15.
They're so pretty. Look at that. Dito pink. Uy, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Mahal? 9. Mahal naman fake.
It's makeup.
Where?
Here.
Oh, I thought you seeing a pig. Mika is pig. Ay, ang ganda. 1,000. 13,900. Mahal naman. Price kaya yan? Ang ganda.
You could give me one of these, but that's too fine.
What is that for? For finding soil?
Yeah, for finding your soil.
Oh. Hindi naman na kailangan yan.
This is a little greenhouse.
Yeah. Doesn't really
Growing
look.
tomatoes.
Doesn't really looks good.
No, they're good enough for tomatoes. Because you grow the tomatoes out of a bag. And then you throw the bag
Ganda.
away at the end of the year.
Mga bench nila magaganda. Nag-swing ako dyan. I want to see here. These are their garden materials.
It's a little.
Oh, I need to pee again. Oh, look. How much here? 11. There is 15. Fertilizers. Tomato food. Oh, this one, vegetables. Yeah, we can come back here next
And I
time.
can tell.
Eggplants. Ang daming seeds. Eggplant. Oh, look at the eggplant. So small. I must get one eggplant.
Asparagus.
Where? It looks different. They got flowers. How much? One.
They're all priced on
Aye.
on the charts or whatever.
4? Ay.
Yeah, whatever code it is. But theoretically, you only buy them once and then that's it.
In a way, yeah. Let's get some seeds. Ay, ang mahal ng seeds nila.
Some flowers here, look.
Yeah.
And I know you want to grow them from seeds.
Yeah,
Oh, we can have
flowers.
something to eat here, look.
Huh?
We can have something to eat.
Where? Inside? Stargazer. Medyo nakakalula yung price, guys. Medyo may kapahalan. Ngunguna naman ako. Magkano tong rose na ganito? Kasi ng prices. Parang gusto kong mag-rose na lang. Yung makaka-survive ng winter. Oh, sorry. So, ang roses ay, ang mahal. 30 pounds yung rose. So, yung totoo, hindi ako makapili ng magandang rose or plants. Kasi tumitingin ako sa price. Gusto ko sana pag bumili ako ng flowers or rose is yung makaka-survive during winter. And then, magpa-flowers ng spring and summer. May grapes din sila. Grabe, ang mahal. 32 pounds. Sana, bumili na lang ako ng cut sa Pilipinas. Tapos, dinala ko na lang. Kasi hindi ko alam kung pwede. Pero feeling ko makakarating yun dito. Ang mahal niya, guys. Nakakahinayang. Grabe. So, biruin nyo kung 30 pounds, 20 pounds times 71 or let's say 70 pesos ang 1 pound. Diba nakakahinayang? Kaya parang hindi ko kayang bumili. Nakakahilo yung presyo. Basta mahal lang ano nila dito. Hindi ko bet. What? I don't... I am not. I'm looking at the prices of the rose. They're so expensive.
You're not supposed to be looking at the prices. You're supposed to be looking at what you like.
Maybe hydrangea. We can get hydrangea. Maybe it must be cheaper. See, 24. One grocery.
Because they last forever. You only buy one.
I think I better go for baby clothes first. Rather than plants. It's not a priority now. We got some, what is it? What flower did I get there?
I'll show you what I'm thinking.
Daisy. May daisy naman sa bahay. Ito lang muna. Look at this one. Purple. Ang ganda.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
But, look at the
£30. Reduced to £30. Look how much it was.
how much is it? 59 before?
£60, yeah.
Hey, ang ganda-ganda nga. Presyo naman. Yawa, mahal.
You want that?
What about the... I don't want!
No, that'd be nice.
Oh, this.
That'd be
what
nice
is this?
At the front of the house.
No, red juice. What is this? Doesn't look like rose. I don't want.
Yes, it's £3.50.
Oh.
It's how you want to read the wording. Reduced £3.50. It's reduced by £3.50, or it's reduced to £3.50. So that is the price.
That is the price?
£3.50 and £5.
Oh, okay.
That's normally what we do. Okay.
So we better get that.
Michael wants some food.
You wanna eat? That's on the side of the fence?
Why don't we get orange, purple, and
Sorry.
yellow?
For what? For the side of the
£11.
fence? For the fence?
Wherever you want to put them.
Are they gonna survive?
It doesn't matter. They only come once. They only come once. If they die, they die. If they live, they live.
How? A
It's
tree?
£11
For what?
for the tray of 6.
Oh, okay. Okay, we can get later then.
So we can get 3.
So 1 tray or 3 tray for 11.
3 for 11 or £4 a tray. You
Okay.
save £1 if you get 3.
Okay. Okay, we can get that
So we
then.
can get.
So we're gonna have some sweets. Milkshake?
Milkshake?
Maybe banana. Maybe I can have. Did you order?
No, not yet.
Strawberry. So they're reducing the plants.
Yeah.
Means they're getting rid of it.
Oh.
This is
Oh,
mine.
horseradishes.
It's cold. Can you remove the tray? I don't want to eat with the tray. Mister.
Wait. Pork and apple together.
Ito maganda. For 410. So ito, maganda rin to guys. Maganda sana mix. Tingnan nyo guys, yung apple nila dito. Ay, liliit pala. O, tas ganyan siya pagbubot. Ay, ang cute ng apple. Yan. So nice.
Okay.
Papayad na si Mister. Bahay na kami guys. Hindi pa kami nakapunta sa tindahan ng damit ng baby. So, yahatid muna namin ang mga plants na nabili. Di makababa. Ang laki ng tiyan. So happy. They're so cute.